Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this microwave video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to make sure all of them is around 1 second-ish each. I'm just going to leave it like this though. You're going to want to copy and paste the clip like so. I'll actually make this one the same duration. Copy and paste it there. Copy and paste it there. Then on the second videos, you're just going to want to reverse all of them. So I just press control on my keyboard to basically reverse all of them. Then on the first clips, you're going to go to speed, go to curve, go to custom, and you're going to delete these ones in the middle here. And you're just going to speed it up like right about here. And you're going to slow this down. You're just going to make this kind of curve. If that's too fast, just move this down a little bit and just adjust it to the audio. And for the other one, for the reverse side, you're just going to do the exact same thing but reversed. So it should look something like this. Trying to make it kind of the same duration. There we go. Then I'm just going to copy and paste the attributes. So copy and paste attributes and just take off everything except for the curve. Copy attribute, paste attribute. I think it's just a lot faster. Copy, paste attributes here. Then lastly, now this one. Okay. Then under effects, you can add in like a glitch transition, or you can add it in like the glitch transition as well. But I'm just going to use the effect. Just gonna make it kind of like quick here. Maybe not this one. I wonder if they do have it in transitions. Yeah, I just use these ones, I guess, in between clips. I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter than that though. You can add in filters and whatnot, and like maybe add in like a vignette maybe. Keep saying maybe. And then select everything to make it smoother. Create compound clip. Go to video, and if you want this optional, you're going to select motion blur, blend and blur up to 100%. And it should process, and your video should look something like this. It depends on the audio, but I can't like play it right now. But yeah, that is it. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.